ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum.
Menteri rang ba ke jela konat kongkal Sangma ula batai ba kadau ba kisamla pulie hakni ke jela ki hapan yakun ya ka Common University Entrance Test lani ka CUET. Kadai nomor ba kani ke jela kamdon ya ka University Lajong. Bat ki khenchgan ru bakadon ka nehu kepada ke university jong ka sarkar pedang kumta namar ka jingbom don ya ka university la jong barok ki college ki Pynïasoh eladi baka nehu henry habalami ka jing nak daw ka CUET u konrat loong ba ya ka Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University ka sarkar kalapan kalano kum ka university ka Papura balaweng no ya ka kentien technical balatip menta kum ka Captain Williamson Sangma University khrang baki college hakni jela kila ban Pynïasoh eladi bakani ka university ba kin lait banyakon ya ka CUET handai ulo ong bak sarkar kampen bor ki college ban Pynïasoh bat kani ka university bat ka syong hakamon jongki tang bala da kim Pynïasoh ki hab ban Pynïasoh bakani hu bat ada ki Pynïasoh bakani hu pat kim la ban lait na ka CUET kin hab banyakon bet ya ka CUET Khnang ban pensuk pat iki college hibadan hakeleng gejela menteri rang ba ulo ong bak sarkar kan bu iki snatrikam jong ka Captain Williamson Sangma University hakeleng ki benta jong gejela khnang baki samla puli kim don kam shu ban lech shadu rilum garu habaki don kam bat shen ulo ong bak sarkar kan bu no iki office trikam jong ka Captain Williamson Sangma University haboro ki benta jong gejela.
The CUET exam was made mandatory by the Government of India for Central University entrance test exam, that is. We realized that many colleges which were affiliated to NEHU, the students had to give exams of the CUET even though they were not applying for any course in NEHU. They were applying for admissions in their respective colleges. But because of the fact that the affiliation of these colleges were to NEHU, by default, they had to take the CUET exams. So for example, a student who's applying to Nong Talang College, he may never actually come to NEHU and study here, but he or she would have to give the CUET exam even though he or she was applying for Nong Talang admission, college in Nong Talang admission, Nong Talang College. Now why did that happen? That happened because we don't have a state university. And we didn't have a state university for the past 50 years because NEHU was there. And hence, the need for a state university never arose. But keeping the situation in mind, we had to go ahead with the state university so that we could allow the people and the colleges to affiliate to the state college, state university, I'm sorry. Now, when we went ahead with this and the desire to have a state university, there was something called the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University. The Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University, the word technical had to be removed, and which was already passed, by the way, in the previous government. So the word technical university had to be removed, and we had to simply increase the number of subjects in this entire process. And then we were able to then expand and make the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University into a full-fledged university, so that any college could then affiliate to this. So it was the shortest and the quickest way to make things happen, and that is what happened, and that's how we went ahead and we made the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University into a full-fledged university. So that's number one, clarification. Number two, very important to understand, there is no mandatory law or rule that says that the colleges have to affiliate to Captain Williamson Sangma University. It is purely the choice of the college concerned. It is their choice. If they want to affiliate to NEHU, they can affiliate to NEHU. If they want to affiliate to Captain Williamson Sangma University, they can affiliate to Captain Williamson Sangma University. There is no mandatory provision in it, but the option is being given, because if those colleges continue to affiliate to NEHU, then the students who are applying in that college will have to continue to. Nobody has to go to any corner or this or that or any office or any particular other headquarters, nothing like that. So we will create provisions for everybody to that they can apply. Number 4, and most important, that we will be having different campus sites in different parts of the state. So definitely for taking care of all the issues of all the colleges that are in the eastern part of our state, especially in Shillong and other adjoining areas, there will be a full-fledged office that's going to take care of all the issues concerned so that nobody has to travel anywhere. But as I said, this university, in the bill that was passed before this government came in, this was the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University was headquartered in Garo Hills, and that was done before our time in the previous government. And we simply went ahead and made this a full-fledged university because it was the fastest way to do it, keeping in mind the urgency of the CUET exam, so that people don't have to give them. So therefore, now we will be having campuses and we'll be having different branches everywhere, so that our colleges and our students do not have to travel anywhere far away to apply or to have any kind of paperwork to be done or get the necessary services from the university concerned. So therefore we will make it very smooth, and we will have enough infrastructure in different parts of the state. And many of the colleges, in fact, we're going to start with our affiliation of our own colleges also. We have the Rongjing College, we have the our different colleges of the government, like the Kyangnyangba College and other colleges. We'll start the affiliation to the Captain Williamson Sangma there. And again, I reiterate, to ensure that there is no confusion and no problem and no kind of problem for these colleges, we will ensure that the offices and the campuses are there in different parts of the state to facilitate their affiliation and future support to the state, up to the colleges.